the Venus Scarifying machine. Jacob's going to fire it up here in a second and just hit along the edge here. We have a little bit of algae trying to get in here, and then we're going to try to hit the corner over here just to scarify, just a light once over. The machine is adjustable, so you can do different depths, whatever depth you want. There's an adjustment. So Jacob's going to fire it up, and so then after the machine has gone by, we then can lute the pulverized material. It returns it back to the shape that it was in when it came out of the bag, really, and loosens it up. That's just an example of what that machine does. We can run it on the whole court and just lift the machine up as you go over the lines.